Hi friends! The NA function returns the Excel #n/a error. This error message denotes value not available and is produced when an Excel formula is unable to find a value that it needs. Let's see how the NA function can be used in Microsoft Excel. Open the desired Excel worksheet. The NA function syntax has no arguments. Select the cell where you want to get the function's result. Type =NA, and then you must include the empty parentheses with the function name. Otherwise, Microsoft Excel will not recognize it as a function. Press the Enter key. It returns the error value #n/a. #n/a is the error value that means no value is available. Use NA to mark empty cells. You can also type the value #n/a directly into a cell. The NA function is provided for compatibility with other spreadsheet programs. Wasn't that easy? Have a nice day!